God bless you, YouTube friends. Today I want to teach you how to play that precious song of praise called It Is Raining. Remember that in this side you will find a little red box that says subscribe. Please click right there and you will have the best of our channel for you. Remember that this is KenBox, learn and enjoy, and here we go. The rhythm is, and the song is, it is raining all around me, I can feel it, it's the lighted rain, call on Jesus, please send more rain, until we are wet, until we are soaked, until we are wet, until we are soaked in the latter rain. It is raining all around me, I can feel it, it's the lighted rain, call on Jesus, please send more rain, until we are wet, until we are soaked, until we are wet, until we are soaked in the latter rain. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Give it a like and share it with all your friends and relatives. If you are interested in some shorts or rhythms of any special song, let us your comment. Remember, we are in Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. See you soon.